So here is PowerDirector. PowerDirector basically looks like, the interface looks like KineMaster, but there are two different apps, very nice video editing apps. Most times I use PowerDirector if I want to remove noise from my videos, okay, which KineMaster does not have. In the premium version, I can remove noise from my videos easily, okay. So once you're on KineMaster in PowerDirector, you can just click on new project, and then you can go ahead and select the aspect ratio you want to use. Remember 16:9 for YouTube and professional videos, 9:16 Instagram, WhatsApp status, Instagram reels here for Instagram videos. Here you have 21:9, 4.5 aspect ratio, okay. The best is always 16:9, which you should always go for. So you can decide to title the video here, and then you can go ahead to start a new project, okay. So once you are here, you can always add a video, an image. You can select video templates to use, okay. This video template is if you want to maybe create your video using templates they already have here. You can choose any of these templates to work with, okay. And also you can add a music to your video, okay. So let me just select one of these videos. So just like in KineMaster, you can adjust the volume, you can trim, split, and all of that, okay. You can split your video, okay. You can also edit the volume, increase the volume by an extra 100, or you can mute. Audio muting, audio tool, this is where you can change the voice, or you can also remove any noise, any background noise from your video. You can extract audio to separate your audio from your video, okay. So which most times you might not know big videos, okay. Now video stabilizer here. Most times if you shoot your video with your hand, okay, let's say you are using your phone to shoot, and then maybe somebody was helping you hold the camera, and while you were shooting the camera was shaking, okay, you can just come to video stabilizer and stabilize the video, okay. So I don't have that issue here. Then you can add effect, you can adjust the speed. So you can always add effect from here, okay. This effect section, you want to make your video brighter, darker, you want to turn it to black and white, okay, you can always do that from the effect section, okay. Skin smoother, you can use it to smoothen your video, okay. So you can also crop your video here, all right. You can do that with the cropping tool. You can duplicate this clip, okay, instead of going to add it as a new clip, okay. So let me just undo most of these things that I've done, okay. All right, so I think this is where we started from, okay. Lost the video. All right, so this is where we started from. All right, then there's another function here. You can reverse, okay. So the video will start going backward, the motion will start going backward instead of forward, okay. Let me just finish, let me demonstrate that for you. Okay, that is taking too long to, I'll just leave it. Here you can rotate your clip, okay. Here you can change the speed, all right. You can increase the speed of a video and preserve the pitch so that as the pitch is increased, okay. So that is that about the speed. Then you can also, which other function, you can add filters to your video, okay, if you want to do some extra editing on the video you are. So here you can add layers to your video using this layer function, okay. The layer could be an image, it could be a video, it could be a text or a sticker or just an overlay. You can use any of that, and then you can add settings to your project, okay, how you want the overall settings of your project to be, just like in KineMaster. And when you are done, you can just come here to export, save to gallery. You can click the quality of video you want, full HD, HD 720, or the higher the better. The higher the HD you select, the more quality you get, but most times HD 720 is okay, so you just export. All right, so that is that about PowerDirector.